For anyone who loves baking, having the right stand mixer can completely change the way you prepare dough, batter, and homemade recipes. Today we're reviewing the KitchenAid Classic Series 4.5 Quart Tilt Head Stand Mixer K45SS, featuring durable metal construction, 10 mixing speeds, 59 touch points for thorough mixing, and compatibility with a wide range of KitchenAid attachments. But is this classic stand mixer still worth buying in 2026 for home bakers and everyday cooking? Let's find out. The KitchenAid Classic Series stand mixer is one of the most recognized kitchen appliances for baking enthusiasts. Designed for home kitchens, this mixer provides a convenient way to handle tasks like mixing cake batter, whipping cream, preparing cookie dough, and kneading bread dough. Its 4.5 quart stainless steel bowl offers enough capacity for everyday baking projects, while the iconic tilt head design makes it easy to add ingredients and change accessories. With its strong construction and attachment compatibility, it is designed to become a long-term kitchen companion. Let's start with mixing performance. The KitchenAid Classic Series features a powerful motor system combined with 10 different speed settings, allowing users to adjust mixing intensity depending on the recipe. Whether you're gently combining ingredients, whipping cream, beating eggs, or mixing thicker dough, the speed control provides better precision. One of the key highlights is the 59 touch points around the mixing bowl, which help ensure ingredients are thoroughly incorporated. This planetary mixing action moves the beater around the bowl while rotating in the opposite direction, creating better coverage compared with traditional mixers. Another major advantage is versatility. The mixer comes with KitchenAid's attachment compatibility, allowing users to expand its capabilities beyond basic mixing. With compatible attachments, the stand mixer can be used for tasks like pasta making, food grinding, slicing, shredding, and more. The tilt head design provides easy access to the bowl, making it simple to add ingredients, scrape the sides, or switch accessories. Its durable metal construction also gives it a premium feel and helps provide stability during mixing. In everyday baking, the KitchenAid Classic Series delivers reliable and consistent performance. The mixer handles common recipes smoothly, from light mixtures like whipped cream to heavier cookie dough and bread preparations. The stable metal design helps reduce movement during operation, while the multiple speed options allow better control over different ingredients. The 4.5 quart capacity is especially practical for families and home bakers who regularly prepare desserts, breads, and homemade meals. Its wide range of compatible attachments also makes it more than just a mixer. It becomes a flexible kitchen tool that can grow with your cooking needs. So, is the KitchenAid Classic Series 4.5 quart tilt head stand mixer worth buying? If you're looking for a reliable, durable, and versatile stand mixer for everyday baking, this classic KitchenAid model remains an excellent choice. With features like 10 speeds, 59 mixing touchpoints, durable metal construction, tilt head convenience, and attachment compatibility, it provides the performance and flexibility many home cooks want. While larger models may be better for professional bakers or very large batches, this 4.5 quart mixer offers a great balance of size, performance, and reliability for most households. If you'd like to check the latest Amazon price or available discounts, you'll find the affiliate link in the description below. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews of kitchen appliances, baking tools, cooking gadgets, and Amazon bestsellers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.